The Turkish defense industry has again made significant strides in the development of modern military technology. After years of intensive research and testing, Turkey has officially entered production of a modern fighter aircraft with a high-powered engine designed to strengthen air dominance while enhancing national defense technological independence. Fighter jet construction begins in a digital design room filled with high-performance computers. Aeronautical engineers use computer-aided design software to create a detailed three-dimensional model of the aircraft. At this stage, the entire fuselage is precisely designed. Modern fighter jets require special materials that are much stronger than ordinary metals. Aircraft must be lightweight to achieve high flight speed. The aerospace industry uses a combination of advanced materials such as titanium, is used in parts subject to high heat and pressure. After all components are manufactured, the next process is assembling the main fuselage frame. This stage serves as the main foundation of the fighter jet, because the frame must be able to support the entire aircraft structure. Assembly is carried out in a large hangar, using high-precision automated equipment. After the main frame is complete, the next stage is the assembly of the fuselage. The fuselage of a fighter jet consists of large panels that are assembled in stages. Technicians use automated tools to ensure each panel is precisely assembled. The wings are one of the most critical components of a fighter jet. Their design and strength determine the aircraft's maneuverability, speed, and stability. Fighter jet wings must be able to withstand extreme pressure when the aircraft performs sharp maneuvers under high gravitational forces. The engine is the heart of a fighter jet. This part is one of the most complex components in the aerospace industry. Modern jet engines consist of thousands of tiny components that must be assembled with incredible precision. Current fighter engine technology is capable of generating enormous thrust, allowing aircraft to travel faster than the speed of sound. This new generation fighter jet program symbolizes Turkey's major transformation in its defense sector. Over the past 2 decades, the Turkish government has aggressively increased investment in domestic military technology. Their primary focus is reducing dependence on foreign countries, particularly in the procurement of strategic weapon systems, such as fighter jets. This modern fighter jet, now entering production, is designed with stealth technology, multi-role combat capabilities, and is supported by high-thrust engines that enable the aircraft to perform extreme maneuvers at high speeds. The presence of this aircraft is projected to strengthen the Turkish Air Force in facing increasingly complex regional geopolitical dynamics. One of the most interesting aspects of this project is the use of high-power engines developed to support the aircraft's maximum performance. These engines are designed to produce high thrust while remaining fuel efficient. This technology allows the aircraft to reach supersonic speeds quickly and maintain stability during long-range combat missions. Developing a modern fighter jet engine is no easy task. Many developed countries require decades to create a truly reliable fighter jet engine. Therefore, Turkey's successful entry into production is a significant achievement. For its national defense industry, this project also demonstrates that Turkey is now capable of competing with major nations in the field of aerospace technology. Several Turkish defense companies are directly involved in the production process. Local companies are collaborating to develop the airframe structure, modern AESA radar, electronic warfare systems, combat sensors, and artificial intelligence software that will assist pilots in conducting air operations. This significant collaboration is creating an increasingly robust and independent defense industry ecosystem. This modern Turkish fighter jet is designed to offer simultaneous air-to-air and air-to-ground combat capabilities. Featuring the latest radar technology, the aircraft can detect threats from long distances and simultaneously track multiple targets. Its advanced weapons systems also enable the jet to carry out a variety of strategic missions, from air escort and precision strikes to territorial defense operations. In addition to its combat capabilities, the aircraft's design incorporates a stealth technology approach. The fuselage's shape is specifically designed to reduce enemy radar reflections, making it more difficult to detect. This technology is a key standard in the development of modern fighter jets, as it is crucial for effectiveness in today's air combat. Turkey views this fighter jet project as a long-term investment that will have a significant impact on the national economy. Mass production of the aircraft will create thousands of new jobs in high-tech, manufacturing, and scientific research sectors. Furthermore, The project's success also has the potential to increase the export value of Turkey's defense industry to the international market. Several countries are known to have shown interest in this Turkish-made fighter jet. This is due to the growing reputation of the Turkish defense industry in recent years. Previously, Turkey successfully captured global attention through its production of modern combat drones, used in various international conflicts. The success of the drone has boosted confidence in the quality of Turkish-made military technology. In many countries, Turkey's move to produce modern fighter jets is also seen as part of a long-term geopolitical strategy in a global climate of uncertainty. Having an independent defense industry is crucial for every country. By producing its own fighter jets, Turkey can more freely determine its defense policy without relying too heavily on export restrictions from other countries. The high-powered engines used in these aircraft are said to be a key focus of development. These engines must be able to operate under various extreme conditions, including high temperatures, high pressures, and prolonged combat operations. Turkish engineers conduct rigorous testing to ensure the engines have a high level of reliability before being fully deployed in mass production. In addition to high performance, maintenance efficiency is also a key concern. The latest engine technology is designed to simplify maintenance processes and reduce operational costs. This allows the Air Force to operate large numbers of aircraft without the burden of excessive maintenance costs. Furthermore, the development of these modern fighter jets also drives national technological progress beyond the military sector. Many innovations in composite materials, artificial intelligence, navigation systems, and precision manufacturing technology can then be applied to the civilian industry. Consequently, this defense project has accelerated the overall development of national technology. International military observers believe that Turkey's success in entering the production stage of modern fighter jets signals a shift in the global defense industry landscape. While previously only a handful of countries were capable of developing next-generation fighter aircraft, now a growing number of developing nations are demonstrating similar capabilities. Turkey's production of modern fighter jets also symbolizes the rise of the national aerospace industry. The Turkish government continues to encourage young people to engage in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to support future industrial needs. Universities, research centers, and technology companies are increasingly collaborating to create new innovations. In the coming years, Turkey is expected to continue enhancing the capabilities of its fighter jets through weapons system upgrades, the integration of artificial intelligence, and the development of next-generation engines. Drone escort technology and network-based warfare systems are also predicted to be key components of the fighter jet's evolution. This success demonstrates that long-term investment in research and development can yield significant technological leaps. Turkey aims to become not only a user of modern military technology, but also a major manufacturer capable of competing in the global market. With the start of production of a modern, high-powered fighter jet, Turkey is now closer to achieving its ambition of becoming one of the world's greatest aerospace powers.